Editing video with Canva is now more powerful than ever, with easy to use tools at your fingertips. So, in this video, I'll be guiding you how to edit or trim your videos, add transitions, use filters and effects between your videos. So, let's get started. Simply open up your Canva and then you will go to this option right here on the video, because today we are going to be editing a video. So this is our blank Canva that we got on Canva, and you can see the pages which are replaced with the scenes right here. So this is our timeline. So guys, if you want to increase or decrease the timeline, you can simply drag. Or suppose if I want to make my scene of 10 seconds, what I'll do, I'll simply drag it towards the right hand side to increase the scene. So now we can simply select our templates, or if you want to select a particular templates, you can go to the search bar and type that template name. So I'll be going for this template. Now I've clicked it and I'll apply to all the 10 pages. So now as you can see, this template has total of 10 pages and all these pages have converted into 10 screens now. Or if I want to, I can simply decrease or increase the timeline for all these different scenes like this. I just have to drag it for increasing or decreasing the particular scene. For example, if I have to decrease that the page, I'll go for third page and I'll keep this in the timeline of 3 seconds. So I'll drag it towards the left for decreasing it. Here we go. Now I have done it. You know what? We can easily split the screen also. I'll show you how. By selecting these 3 dots. So now I have clicked on these 3 dots and now here you can see this split page. So if I'll click it, so now my page is being split. Ta-da! There you go. So now I have clicked on these 3 dots. By this we can add our page, we can duplicate page. Now if I want a copy of this page, I'll simply click on this duplicate page. For deleting this page, I'll again click on that 3 dots and delete this page by clicking on this. Now I have successfully deleted that page. And you know what? There's an amazing thing. We can also add transition at the start of the scene or at the end of the scene also. For this, you have to just simply click on the start transition. Now here I have clicked on the add transition and you can select it whichever you like it. I have selected this one. Here you go. And then I'll select the directions on the right. So now if I want to apply this transition on all of my pages, so I'll simply click on this. Now here the transition has been successfully applied in all the pages at the end of the scenes. Now I'll show you by clicking the video. Now here you can see. That was so easy and so quick, right? Now, what if I want to see the total duration of the scene? How will I see it? No need to worry if you want to see the total duration of the scene. So here is the total duration of the scene, or if you want to see the total duration of the video, so here is the total duration. We can drag and drop any scene wherever we want to put it. So here I'll drag it and put it here. So we can easily drag. Here is an amazing feature in it. We can add music also. It also works with the timelines. Here we can add more than one music. So for music I have to go to the elements, then go to the music, and here I have to click in see all, and I have select this music. So now if I want to trim it, I can do that also by just dragging towards the left hand side. Easy, right? So here is one more feature in it. We can also add more than one audio. Now we have to click another music here. Ta-da! There you go. Now in first two pages I have selected this music, and in rest of the pages I have selected this. We can also split the volume and sound. We can adjust it, add audio effects and many more by just clicking on these three dots. Here you go. We can adjust it, we can select the effects, we can beat sign, we can select the volume, and we can split the audio also. It was so easy, right? So this brings us the end, and now you know all the timeline basics on Canva. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.